What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on ENA because a lot of you guys are asking for an update video. So yeah, let's now take into that. But before that, I would like to ask you if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under a video because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. Right now, we are currently forming here this falling wedge, so the main setup that I'm currently waiting for will be valid in case of a breakout and then support confirmation. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So stop loss in this case, you need to put like somewhere back to this falling wedge, but the stop loss itself really depends on the risk-reward ratio that you want to have here. And the last take profit targets you can either place under this current all-time high, which will give you potential risk-reward ratio like 8.1, or you can feel free to speculate, for example, on the higher target. So for example, put it under that $2 mark, which will give you a risk reward ratio like 16.53, which I think is really good. So even if you will take like multiple take profit targets, then the risk reward ratio will be still like 9.5, and that's as I said, that is really good. The potential take profit targets, well, some take profit target definitely put under this previous week high, which is on the level 1.21. So let's say somewhere in this area, because this will be really important resistance. Then for example, like under this high, then for example $1.7 mark, $8 mark, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So as I said, the risk reward ratio in the end will be like 9.5, and that is really good. Another interesting thing that we currently have on this coin is the support area, which is between levels 0.902 and 0.873. You can see that historically this was like an important support here, and also important resistance here, important support here, and also important support there. So the main setup that I'm currently watching here associated with this support area is that if there will be breakdown, fake out, and then support confirmation, then I think that this can be an insane opportunity to open here that long trade. Stop loss in this case you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, because if there will be breakdown and then resistance confirmation, then the price is probably gonna test this support of this falling wedge. So yeah, you just don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. And to your last take profit target, you can either place under this current all-time high, which will give you risk reward ratio 13, and that's itself really good, or you can speculate again for the $2 mark, which will give you potential risk to reward like 23.34, but again, it depends on the low that we will create here. In this case, also, it's really important to take multiple take profit targets. The big portion of the profits take under this resistance of this falling wedge, because yeah, if we will do, for example, something like this, then there is pretty high probability that this coin will just continue to form this falling wedge. So yeah, it's let's say at least like 20% of the entire position take under this resistance of this falling wedge, and then the remaining take profit targets can remain, as I said, the same. So in the end, you are looking for a risk reward ratio like 15, 16, something like that, and yeah, that's really insane. So definitely also keep an eye on this potential trading setup. Okay guys, so these are currently the main setups that I'm watching on this coin. You can see this coin is relatively new, so there is pretty high probability that in the long time perspective this coin will go up, because it was listed on Binance and other important exchanges. So yeah, as I said, there is high probability that this coin will go up in the long time perspective, but it doesn't mean that you can open your trading positions anywhere. You always need to wait for a proper setup and for proper conditions to be met. But if you, for example, want to help with trading, or if you simply want to copy my exact trades, you can join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing my analysis and coins that I'm currently watching every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all for me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.